This video and all content on this channel is performed by a pest control professional, and it is always recommended to hire a pest control pro in your area to perform any pest control in or outside your home. Pesticides can harm you and your loved ones. Anyone who is performing the information in this video is doing so at their own risk. If you decide to try the info provided in this video, please always check with the local laws in your area and read the labels of any product you use. The label is the law. Hey everybody, this is Jason Akers again with Green Acres Pest Control, and today I want to go over box elder bugs and red shoulder bugs. What are they? Why do they come in the house? What is their purpose? What do they do? Do they hurt anything? And how to get rid of them. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you really like it, consider subscribing to the channel. So what are box elder bugs? Box elder bugs, and I'm gonna use box elder bugs throughout this video because red shoulder bugs really aren't a lot different than box elder bugs. They pretty much all do the same thing, but and they look very similar to one another. But I just wanted to go over both of them, try to hit them both today. But anyway, what are box elder bugs? Box elder bugs are little black bugs, kind of beetle shaped, long and skinny, almost like a mix between a beetle and a lightning bug, except they don't light up. They crawl all over certain trees, typically box elder trees and silver maple trees. They like to eat the trees. They feed on the trees. A lot of times in the spring, you will have box elder bugs crawling all over your house, and mating is usually what they do. They pair up together and they mate against the wall of the foundation of the house and on the trees, and they'll have these teeny tiny little red bugs all around them because those are the babies. So typically what a box elder bug does is as it grows up, it develops wings, it covers it back, and they got this nice black back on them with a little red triangle. The red shoulder bugs has the black back and the red shoulders, and so they're very, if you know how to tell them apart, you know exactly what they are when you see one. But in the spring, you'll have lots of little babies all around, and you'll have the adults, mating and things. That's usually between March and May in Virginia. This is about the time you usually see them. And then in the fall, they start coming in the house because they're trying to winter over inside your home. They don't hurt anything, but they're a nuisance. You'll have hundreds, if not thousands, of these little bugs coming in around your doors and your windows trying to get into your home. They don't hurt the trees they feed on. They crawl along the surface of, like I said, box elder trees and silver maple trees. They really like them. In fact, in the northern states, they're called maple bugs. A lot of people call them maple bugs because they like to get on the maple trees out in Vermont, New Hampshire, places like that where they have a lot of maple trees. And so it's a very common thing, but they don't hurt anything. A lot of times people will say to me, well, I have box elder bugs, but I don't have a box elder tree. I don't have a maple tree. Where are they coming from? Do you have mulch around your house? It's a really common thing when they go in and they cut up wood to make mulch, and they throw it all in a wood chipper to create mulch. Sometimes box elder trees and maple trees will get thrown in the mix as well, even though it's primarily like pine bark mulch or mulched up pine or something like that. It's not uncommon for them to take a limb or two of whatever other trees in the area that are kind of, they're just scrap trees anyway. They're not really good for anything. They may have rotted and fallen over or whatever, and they just take them and chip them up in the wood chipper as well. And then all of that wood debris is mixed in with your mulch. And so the box elder bugs, because they're attracted to the silver maple and the box elder tree, and so are the red shoulder bugs, they will get into that mulch and they will start munching on that mulch, and then they will breed all in the mulch. I had a customer one time who she had a leaky basement, and she had never put mulch around her house. In fact, it was just dirt all the way around the foundation. And when they went to fix her leaky basement, they had to dig the dirt up all around the foundation. And so she had them take that dirt away, that dirt where that mulch used to sit. She took all that dirt away, and that got rid of her box elder bugs. That was the only thing that worked, even though it was just dirt. So apparently, with the mulch from the box elder tree and the maple tree, they are so attracted to it, even after the mulch is completely decayed and is no longer there, there is still something there that attracts box elder bugs to lay their eggs there. So
It's I don't recommend mulch for around the outside of the house. It will cut down on the box elder bugs. What you do is you take and you put stone around the house. You lay out, you know, rubber mulch or something. I mean, rubber mulch stinks so bad, and now they're finding that it's linked to different things like cancers and stuff like that. So I don't really recommend mulch in the wood, you know, the rubber type of mulch anymore. I usually just recommend stone. Stone always works. It allows for the ground to breathe, and it doesn't hold heat up against the wall of the foundation of the house. It doesn't attract things like termites and cockroaches and, you know, box elder bugs, centipedes, millipedes, all the things that mulch attracts. So, you know, yeah, I do recommend that people get rid of their wood mulch and put down stone. And when it comes to treating box elder bugs, what I recommend is treating around the windows and the doorways, all around the edges, any crack and crevice they might be squeezing in through. You treat all around that. You want to treat for a couple months. Usually if it's a problem in the fall and they're coming in the house, then what you do is you go around all your windows, doors, eaves, overhangs, around the base of the house where the house meets the ground, the foundation where it sits. You want to spray all the way around your foundation, all around your windows and doors and the places they're squeezing in through. This will help immensely. And I will link the products I use on my Amazon page. I'll actually make a box elder page for this specific thing. You can go there and you can see, oh, I'll click that button. That's the products for box elder bugs. And that way you know what to use for box elder bugs in your own situation. So hopefully this video has helped you understand. Another thing you want to do is you want to target the trees. You spray around the base of the tree. So if you've got a box elder tree and there's box elder bugs all around it, or if you've got a silver maple and the box elder bugs are all around it, then what you do is you treat around the base of that tree, so that when the bugs try to crawl off of the tree to come to your house or your car or whatever they happen to be getting into, because they will get in your car, they die. And after a couple years of doing this, like in the spring and the fall, both when they reproduce and when they're trying to get in the house, if you will do this every year for several years, you'll just stop getting box elder bugs. I've got customers that were specifically for box elder bugs, and after treating their houses for a couple years, they stopped getting them altogether. So hopefully this video has been beneficial to you. Hopefully it has helped you. I want to also put in here, if you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you really like it, subscribe to the channel. I hope this has helped a lot of people. I haven't had a whole lot of people ask about box elder bugs and what they are and how to get rid of them, but hopefully this helps the few that have asked. Also, I want to let you know about my live streams. Normally I come on every Thursday. I've started streaming a little earlier in the day. Not every month. A lot of times I still do stream at night when my children are going to bed. But I have noticed that on days that I stream early, like around 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon, it makes it easier for people who are in England, you know, Britain, Germany, France, places like that that also tune into the show, that they can tune into because it's not too late for them. So hopefully that'll help you guys be able to catch me live. And if you like the video, again, give me a thumbs up. And if you really like it, subscribe to the channel. I really appreciate it. And hopefully this will help you with your box elder bug problem. Y'all have a good one, and we'll talk to you later.